You have no idea what crazy or stupid thing I'm about to do. What's up, you guys? This is Chris for Financial Freedom Made Simple, and today we want to talk about how, first of all, I did not sell my car because I changed my plans. Second of all, we're going to see what I'm going to do with my house, how I'm going to renovate it for Airbnb, and third of all, we're going to show, or I'm going to show you how many things you have in your house that are just clutter and you don't need. We want to start with me, or what is on TikTok, they say I'm going to go first. Okay, let's go see. First of all, in the previous video we talked about having a storage unit, because this is an ATM inside of my house, which is not ideal. And by the way, what you're about to see is clean. This is actually clean, and I've taken care of it. This juicer, I bought it 3 years ago. So one of my first business ventures that never did anything with it. I think I squeezed 5 juices and it's sitting here. It was $115. That's it. This fan, I used it once to dry off the paint in my bathroom when I painted it quite some time ago. Crock pot, I used it maybe 10 times. This fellow here, I think I've used it 3 times in total. It's sitting here for about 3 years. Various insanities, just in case you need them for no real reason. Like I'm running a car detailing shop. Oh, those things, the brakes and stuff for my old car. They sit here for 2 years now, I think. Oh, my favorite books. This is half of the books I have. I've read them. There's nothing I can do with them. I don't want to burn them, but I gotta throw them for recycle. What I'm gonna do with them. And my favorite, under the bed. I have a fan. Are you kidding me? I got a fan. Okay, this one I've used. I've used the massager many times. There's various things that I really don't need. It's insane. This is an air mattress there that looks like a dead body. That's an air mattress. It sits there for 3 years. And here we just have more books. All right, first things first, what I want to address is get a storage unit if you have a lot of stuff. Oh, those stuff. This just sits here forever. This is a spoiler for my last car. This is a patio, furniture patio from 4 years ago from the apartment I used to live at. And I'm not sure what that is. Those things will go and be hauled away. It's my bike. This is a sink. Why would I keep a sink? But yeah, all of that needs to go. And like I said, first things first, if you have a storage unit, that will be great because you're going to be able to save some of the things you cannot sell. I mean, I hope you want to sell majority of them, right? So every year I suggest you guys to clean your house out of the clutter. Oh, all of those chairs, they were here when I came. They seem like they're like from many different sets. I've used them. They're all gonna be gone. So clutter is the first thing I want to address. And storage unit, I had a video that I made about storage units, so it's going to be somewhere up here on the links down below. Make sure you watch it. I give some ideas of what storage units are and how can you use them and what to use them for. Now the main thing and the crazy thing that I'm about to do is, it is middle of March or a little bit after middle of March, and I made a decision to renovate fully the inside of this house. It looks like shit inside, to be honest. Everything needs to be pretty much new. Both bathrooms, floor, cabinets, bar. I know. I haven't said anything crazy yet. You're just waiting for the crazy part. Oh, how do I put this? So when the house is under renovation, where am I gonna live? I'm gonna work until the end of July. So where am I gonna live? The van? Yeah, maybe. The van looks like a good idea. The house needs to be empty so that people can renovate. And after I finish renovation of the house, it will be rented on Airbnb. So when this house is rented and my other Airbnb is rented and all the other houses are occupied, where am I going to live? Yeah, that's the plan. I'll try to live in my Tesla, guys, and I'll take you along on the journey. We'll see how it's gonna go. I know. I'm just a stupid guy. I know what you're thinking. You're just out of your mind. But okay, check it out. Clean a little bit. Oh, it is not that bad. I'm telling you, it's not that bad. I mean, I'm gonna clean up that, but it's not this bad. I mean, I fit great. I fit perfectly. And the view is awesome. So I'll try it, see how it goes. When I want to take showers, well, I go to a gym almost every day, so they have shower there anyways. Laundry, I can go and do laundry in my house whenever it's vacant, or in the between when people are leaving and coming and going. I can also go get showers there. When people are not in the house, I can go and sleep there as well. But yeah, I'll see how it's gonna go, and this is a test for me because later on I want to do a cross-country trip, and this is one of the ideas that I had to travel in this van. But on further advising with friends, they said, well, why the van? Why don't you go into the Tesla? It's a power bank anyways. You're not gonna need any solar or power or battery. You just get a 12-volt inverter and hook it up to your laptop, whatever you need, right? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and that's what I'm saying. What I'm about to do is something crazy or stupid or amazing, I don't know. But this was the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Smash the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. And yeah, I know I'm crazy. I know, I get it. See you next time, and don't forget, the goal is not to look rich but to be rich.